This passage is legal cum general passage for all high courts at 105 WPM, especially for Delhi High Court exam. So be ready. Fencing a vacant plot of land or even securing it with a compound wall might keep encroachers at bay, but these measures can hardly prevent land grabbers who operate from behind the scenes from usurping the property or creating litigation to demand a ransom by adopting various strategies. The menace of land grabbing with political backing is severe in prime and developing areas across Tamil Nadu, where the business of land mafia has grown along with the booming real estate industry over the years. The problem is acute in regions in and around urban areas which are witnessing infrastructure development and the consequent increase in real estate prices. For many, protecting a piece of property has of late become more challenging than buying it. The well oiled network of the land grabbers who operate allegedly in collusion with some officials of the registration, revenue, survey, and police departments has made life horrendous for a large number of victims, especially members of the middle class who are battling a prolonged civil dispute in legal forums. An analysis of such cases reveals that the problem is more prevalent in properties left unattended for long with the owners staying away or abroad. It doesn't matter even if the property has a compound wall with surveillance cameras and a watchman. Land grabbers know the means of acquiring it or creating litigation through fake documents. In many cases, the accused persons know they will lose the legal battle, but the fact remains that it will take years before a legal conclusion is arrived at. Till then, the property shall be branded as a disputed site, making it impossible for the rightful owner to sell it or even enter it, says a senior official of the registration department. This sometimes forces the legitimate owners to enter into a compromise and sell the property at a cheaper rate to the land grabbers. According to him, land grabbers look out for the properties left unattended for long and conspire to take possession of it. The usual modus operandi is to create fake documents. Some of the common methods adopted in the falsification of documents are impersonating the original owner by producing a person with the same name. Since the Aadhaar card or address details are not entered there, the transaction goes through with the furnishing his/her proof of a proposal to include photograph, Aadhaar and address proof in and other property tax receipts is under the consideration of the government. The other means for creating an unregistered will, which is considered a valid document, and a fake legal heir certificate, and reaching out to an extended family member to persuade him/her to stake a claim to the property by forging records. Sharing his ordeal with the alleged land grabbers, a senior journalist says he is embroiled in a 3 decades-old dispute over a property he bought on Chennai's outskirts along with 4 friends. After the land was purchased in 1987 and secured with a compound wall, a group approached him saying the land belonged to their grandfather. This happened in 1991. Among the 4 other purchasers was a deputy superintendent of police who later got promoted as superintendent of police. Stop. This was a dictation of 105 WPM. इस डिक्टेशन को लिखें, ट्रांसक्राइब करें और मिस्टेक्स कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताएं और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर लें ताकि ऐसे पैसेजेस जो कि सभी हाई कोर्ट से रिलेटेड आने वाली हैं वो आपको जल्द से जल्द मिलती रहें। थैंक यू।